Let me tell you about how bomb this hair is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ashley here. So today we are getting into a smoky liner and lash tutorial, but I have to put y'all on game. This hair, honey. So it's Cambodian Hair. I got it from my girl Saff. She's launching her hairline this fall, but you can still make your purchases now. I will list her Instagram as well as the details down below about this hair. It's so bomb. I did a 5x5 closure, so you know I can style it, do a side part, whatever I want, since it goes super far back and it's wide. But yes, this hair is bomb. I colored her jet black, and I think the longest length I got is 24 if I'm not mistaken. But again, I'm gonna leave the details down below, but I just had to tell y'all about this hair. It's bomb. Like, out of all the units that I have, I love this hair texture. The rest of my units are pretty raw, but this gives like very slight rawness, but it's just like nice and thick and silky. And before I flat ironed it, the curl pattern was gorgeous. Like, I actually just want to wet it so I can get the curl pattern back. Like, that's how bomb the curl pattern was. So yes, I'm gonna be doing like different looks, so you'll see over like the next few videos. But yes, let's get into this lash and liner tutorial. So since I already did my eyes, what we'll be needing is an eyeliner brush. So this is the 210 liner brush from MAC Cosmetics. And next we'll be needing an eyeliner. So this is the Maybelline New York Eye Studio in Blackest Black. So this is a pot. I like cream because you can smudge it, so it looks like this. You'll be needing a pair of lashes and lash glue. So my favorite is the Duo lash glue, the sensitive one. This is the perfect lash glue because it lets you know when it's ready. And I think that's what everyone is kind of like worried about, like when do I apply it? When do I apply it? This lets you know because it turns blue, and then you can just put it right on. So what we're gonna do is dip into the eyeliner. So just like enough. And then you're gonna need a mirror handy. So I like to start at the front. So it really depends. If you want to do like a wing, you want to start at the back and do like a recliner. Or if you want to do like a smudgy liner, you can do that and then smudge it at the outer V of your eye. So it depends on the day that I want to do like a regular wing liner, but today we're going to do a smudge. So you're going to start in the front and then stop right about the arch of your eyebrow. So just going to go in. And you want to make short strokes. You want to make sure you get the liner as close to your lash line as possible. And continue those short strokes until you get right here. And then I go back and I add more product just to make sure that that liner is nice and intense. You can also add black shadow on top of it. I know like a lot of people do that, and it like kicks up the intensity and it looks like super sexy and smoky. But I'm just gonna go right back over it. So since I got to the edge, now what I'm going to do is just take a plain brush. I just have like a pencil fluffy brush, and then I am just going to drag the edge of that liner out and smoke it. So with me dragging it out and swirling it is creating that smoky effect. So it's like the liner started and then it just disintegrated. So it should look something like this. And then you could just swirl it in the outer V just so it picks up that intense smokiness. And it should look like this. So after you smoked out into the other liner on the other eye, you can go in and now line your lashes with some glue. I'm going in with my, don't judge my case, my Baddie V lashes in Baddie. So I am just going to peel them off and go into my glue. Just want to coat the top just like this. Make sure it has enough because, oh girl, when your lash lifts in the corners, it's like there's no saving, especially if you don't have your glue with you. It should look like this. Now it's starting to turn blue. I'm just gonna wait one moment while I coat the other one. So I like to use my fingers. I like to use my fingers when I don't have nails. So since this one is dry, as you could tell, you're going to want to place it in the center of your eyelid. So I'm gonna get close. Gonna want to place it. Now for me, I have to tuck it behind my lashes because they're super curly. So you want to press down, put it right in the center, and then you want to secure the corner and the outer V as well. But placing it in the center really gets it on there, and then you can shift and change it around. So one down, one to go. Again in the center. Tuck it behind. Once you get in the center, you can adjust the lash. This is the invisible one, so it's gonna dry clear. So in the meantime, while it's drying, you can like coat your bottom lashes, add your lips, and do whatever, and then come back. So after you applied your lips and you finished up your bottom lash line, what you want to do is just squeeze. So you want to press the lash and your lashes together just so that they look fused, so you don't see the separation between your lashes and the falsies. And you can also add some mascara on top of that just to blend them in. So they say you shouldn't really add mascara on your falsies, so I merely just put it on my lashes and it kind of like blends them together from there. So I just catch the tips like that. And there you go. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this beginner series. I might do another liner tutorial, but for like a wing liner, but for right now this is the Smokey liner. And yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I upload. And as usual guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.